We're in the midst of running the Galaxy S23 Ultra through Laptop Mag's typical gamut of review tests, and we were blown away by the battery life test that just concluded. According to the Laptop Mag, the Galaxy S23 Ultra lasted 12 hours and 22 minutes in battery tests that involves continuously surfing the web with the display set at 150 nits of brightness. That's over 2.5 hours longer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. While it's a huge leap for Samsung from last year, the burning question is whether it's enough to overtake the king of the phones with the best battery life, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It was a valiant effort, but not quite enough as the iPhone 14 Pro Max managed 13 hours and 7 minutes in our battery test this fall. On the Tom's Guide battery test, they take each phone and surf the web over a 5G connection at 150 nits of brightness. Phones that last at least 11.5 hours on this take test make it the best phone battery. According to Tom's Guide, first we ran our battery test on adaptive mode for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which enables the screen to scale anywhere from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. Then we ran the test again in 60 Hz mode, which uses less power. On adaptive mode, the Samsung S23 Ultra lasted a very good 12 hours and 22 minutes. That's a big jump from the 950 we saw from the S22 Ultra. This could be due to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, which is designed to be more efficient, though we're assuming Samsung made other optimizations as well. The runtime got even better in 60 Hz mode as the S23 Ultra endured for an epic 12 hours and 9 minutes. That's only 30 minutes behind the iPhone 14 Pro Max's best result of 1339. So with this result, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will definitely be among the longest-lasting phones you can buy. Recently, a YouTuber by the name TechDroider recently released a video showcasing the battery performance of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, comparing it to other popular devices such as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, S22 Ultra, Xiaomi 13 Pro, and OnePlus 11. The results of the comparison were impressive. The S23 Ultra performs well, losing to the iPhone 14 Pro Max by just a few minutes, which is remarkable. This may be due to better optimization and the use of the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which provides better performance compared to the standard SoC. What do you think? Comment down below. See you in the next video. Peace out.